junior leaders will be also part of your guys' testing, starting with junior leader, black belt, Colin Kwon. Junior leader, Kevin Saigujo. And a big hand for junior leader, Chris Regan. Okay, now we'd like to get today's belt promotion started with a very exciting event. We have over here, we have our WTM Taekwondo Lakeside demo team, which will be performing, putting on a very special performance for all of you guys. And one of the great things is that, you know, all of these guys were exactly where you guys are right now. They were white belts and yellow belts. They were sitting down. They were watching other demo team members. And today, they're going to get the opportunity and the privilege to get to perform for you guys. So let's give the demo team members a big hand, everyone. Okay, let me have all the students. Make sure you know exactly where your spot is. All the students, stand up. And I need everybody, remember your spot, but now move all the way back until you're on the red mat. Move all the way back until you're on the red mat. And then once you're on the red mat, I need you guys to lock it up. Stay right over there. All right, perfect.